Hey tech enthusiasts, ever felt like an octopus with not enough arms? Enter the Telesin smartphone magnetic neck holder, the ultimate gadget for anyone who's ever needed a third hand. It's lightweight, portable, and designed with a soft, breathable material that ensures comfort even during extended use. Perfect for travelers, vloggers, or anyone on the go. Crafted with a sturdy yet flexible arm, the Telesin neck holder adjusts to any angle, giving you the optimal viewing position every time. Imagine a world where your smartphone hovers in front of you like a sci-fi movie come to life. Whether you're live streaming your epic sandwich making skills or catching up on your favorite series while simultaneously juggling, this neck holder is your new must-have accessory. Snap your phone in with the powerful magnetic grip that holds tighter than a grandma's hug and bend it into any shape you fancy. Yes, even that one. It's like having your own personal selfie stick that wraps around your neck, turning every moment into a hands-free spectacle. Now you can multitask like a pro. Practice your zombie apocalypse survival skills, knit a sweater, or even do interpretive dance, all while keeping up with your group chats and not dropping your phone into the apocalypse survival stew. So, grab a Telesin smartphone magnetic neck holder today. Turn your neck into a mobile command center and make every other gadget out there green with envy. It's not just smart, it's Telesin smart.